Welcome, dinos, to my drawing tutorial of a wolf. Yeah. Don't mind that. First, we obviously need pencils. So if you don't have like any of this fancy stuff, I don't really care. You can just use like a mechanical pencil or something. But for this one, I'm going to be using 4H. So if you have it, please use it. And then we want the sharpener to come out too, because we sort of need it. Okay. I'm not good with preparation. Scooch. And then get the glass of water for my watercolor. Ta-da! I also need the eraser, but okay. So we're going to be doing just a basic wolf, just like facing this way. And I'll teach you how to draw wings on it afterward. Or no, I'll do that in a different video because, yeah, whatever. Okay, so what you're gonna want to start with are circles like this for the head, and then you want to add torso, like a chest area, like the breast, like on a chicken, like a wolf breast, because that just sounds awkward if I don't say that. Can you quiet down your colored pencils? And then you want to add one for the rump.
Over the video. Like, put music over, like on it, and then do audio over. Just say, continue.
Okay. Stop. Well, too late. But we want to draw a line, like a line of action, and this one is just going to be straight through because it's standing. And then we want the line here to come down here. And then what I like to do is start on the snout over here, but you don't have to. It's not going to be very complex. It's just going to be a simple little snout, like so. And you can do it like that, or like that. I like to do it like that with my cats, but then like this with dogs or wolves. And then over here, with the legs, since it's just going to be standing, we're just going to add like this. So it's just standing, like so. And then with the tail, it's kind of like a line of action. And if you want it like up here, like this, you're totally free to do so. But what I like to do with my wolves is keep the tail down, like a sad dog. And then here we want to start on the ears. What I like to do is this, with my old style, but now I do like a bit, but with the side I do this, but with the front I like to do like that. But here we're just gonna do that for now. And if you want to add like that, you're okay to do so, because then we want to add a little fluff to the head. Okay. And then add an eye. I like to do simple eyes for my cats and wolves. And with my eyes, like any type of eye I make, if it's like realistic or that's not really realistic, like if it's realistic or like kind of cartoony or just like full cartoony, I like to add eyelashes, like so. Actually, with this type of eye, I would add that, but it doesn't really matter. And then we want to add a nice smile. And then depending on how realistic looking you want it to be, you would add a little big piece there. I don't know what to call that. Like an opening in their lips. I'm not sure. That's kind of great, but but now you have the head. You want to start on the neck and stuff. And and you can add like a tuft to the chest if you really want to. And I'm gonna do that to her because why not? And since I have a character named Sparrow, I'm gonna make like a sister. Why not? We're gonna add like a little piercing to her. And then we want to continue building on the legs because we can't just have stick legs like that. Like that. Whatever that is. We want nice thick legs. Thick with a capital T and double C's. Because we want lots of muscles because they're wolves. So they're going to be pretty muscular. With my hind legs, I used to do like that. And it still looks good, but now I do like this. So it looks more realistic. Because dogs and wolves and cats have this little weird bump here, and I'm not sure what it is. It's like their knee of some sort. And then we go over here. There, you have your legs done. And then we want a we want a waist, and depending on what you want it to be, like fat or pregnant or something, you can make it as big as you want, but this one's just that. And then here you want to add the tail, and you can make it as fluffy or as straight as you want, but I usually add like this, like bunch of fluff to it. Because if I don't, it just looks weird to me. If this looks weird to you, then I don't really care. Because it's your wolf. I hope I'm not going too fast. And there's your base.